What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today introduced the first Huawei MatePad Pro tablet with Harmony OS, a triple camera, 29 antennas, 8 speakers and a 10,050 mAh battery. It was named Huawei MatePad Pro. Yes, Huawei today unveiled the first tablet to run the Harmony OS operating system, and today we are going to discuss this in detail, including features, design, specs, display, chipset, operating system, camera, battery, price, and much more. Please watch the full video content. Huawei MatePad Pro is equipped with a 12.6 inches OLED display, which occupies 90% of the tablet's front panel area. The screen bezels are 5.6 mm wide. The resolution panel equals 2560 and 1600 pixels. Its peak brightness is 400 cdm2. The screen covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color space and is TUV certified. The device has received a thin and light body made of magnesium aluminum alloy. The Huawei MatePad Pro weighs 609 grams and is only 6.7 mm thin. The device is built around the Kirin 9000T 5nm SoC, which features a 22-core Mali G78 GPU and a separate NPU for AI applications. The tablet is equipped with a Wi-Fi 6 Plus module, which provides data download speeds up to 1.6 GB per second. Huawei MatePad Pro received a whole group of 29 antennas, which are placed taking into account the case materials so that the signal is stable at all times and the tablet quickly switches between antennas. The Huawei MatePad Pro features the marque's first triple camera in tablet with a 13 megapixel main image sensor, an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera and a 3D Sense depth sensor. It is also first Huawei tablet to be equipped with 8 speakers, delivering high-quality sound even at high volumes, strong stereo effect, and deep bass. The tablet is equipped with a rechargeable battery with a capacity of 10,050 mAh, which lasts for 14 hours of video playback, 9 hours in a web browser, and 17 days of standby time. There is support for 40-watt fast charging and 27-watt wireless charging. A full charge takes 2 hours and 10 minutes. The Huawei MatePad Pro supports a dual tilt keyboard stand with a magnetic mount as well as wireless charging M Pencil that recognizes clicks from 0.4G. Using the Harmony OS operating system makes it easy to use your tablet with smartphones, smartwatches and TVs at the same time to share documents, photos and videos. You can also use your tablet to mirror your computer screen or expand your workspace. And the MatePad Pro can turn into a graphics tablet. For example, the price of the tablet in Europe starts at €800. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.